The story of St. Luke's began 150 years ago. In the late 1800s, the Lehigh Valley was known as the cradle of the Industrial Revolution, housing a number of factories, railroads, and hardworking citizens.
We were the center of railroading, we were the center of iron and steel and other manufacturing, and also mining. It was geared to support the community, which was an industrial hub at that point in time.
With increased industry came an increased number of accidents and illnesses. The public outcry for a hospital convinced prominent Lehigh Valley leaders to fund the establishment of St. Luke's Hospital. Businessmen and faith leaders launched a drive to fund and build the hospital, which raised enough money to buy an unfinished double house in Bethlehem. St. Luke's Hospital accepted its first patient on October 17, 1873. The first hospital provided care for 8 patients at one time. By the late 19th century, the hospital became a general hospital that served more than men working in factories. St. Luke's provided this care in a building that would later become the Fountain Hill campus.
The hospital maintained a very pivotal role in being established at that point in time under the guidance of William Estes Sr. He trained in New York with people who had a European background, and he was able to bring most of the advances that he saw to the Lehigh Valley and further advance those particular things to make sure that they were in sync with what they should be.
In 1884, St. Luke's School of Nursing, the nation's oldest nursing school in continuous operation, was established. The Annie P. Lockhart Women's Pavilion, the Merritt A. Wilberg Children's Pavilion, and the Rebecca Mickley Thomas Operation Room Pavilion were all opened by 1903. St. Luke's continued its growth as Robert Sayer presented the William H. Chandler Memorial Biological and Pathology Laboratory in 1909. With the changing times, highways and interstates gave more access to the Lehigh Valley, but the leaders who stepped into the shoes of St. Luke's original founders rose to the challenge of the valley's growing population.
St. Luke's basically, as they would say, had good bones. Back in 1985, we were one hospital. There were a whole lot of different circumstances surrounding how you delivered health care. What's driven the change in a lot of cases is being able to be agile and change directions quickly.
Over its 150 years, St. Luke's mission has stayed true. President and CEO Richard A. Anderson continues to lead the way, having joined St. Luke's 37 years ago. Under his leadership, St. Luke's has grown into St. Luke's University Health Network and is home to the Lehigh Valley's only medical school in partnership with Temple University.
The Temple St. Luke's Medical School was an idea that was launched many years ago around the challenges of assuring that we would have sufficient physicians to care for our community. We decided to follow a model that we had done for years in nursing, and that was to educate and prepare our own nursing staff. We now do that with our medical staff, and it has been a great success.
As St. Luke's has reached 150 years, it has become a major provider of medical services in 11 counties and 2 states. As of 2022, St. Luke's was made up of 14 campuses, more than 300 outpatient facilities, 19 urgent care centers, and 50 physical therapy sites. Beyond the growth and expansion, St. Luke's has instilled a culture of family, care, and camaraderie. It has become a place for patients to receive high-quality, affordable care in an environment that is safe and comfortable.
All we want to do is take care of our patients, treat our employees well. The people around me are what really make the organization successful.
We're part of history. If you think about 150 years ago, this institution was created to care for the community. And here we are 150 years later doing the very same thing.
We know that excellence attracts excellence. People in the Lehigh Valley right now are very well served by St. Luke's Healthcare Network, and they will continue to be in the future.
St. Luke's University Health Network has transformed from one community hospital into a thriving, world-renowned healthcare network that's leading medicine into the future. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
To see more of the Peak TV, check out our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and catch us on WFMZ Channel 69.